I know it's been forever since I've posted, but I thought I would do kind of a little update on my life, a little room tour, and also to go over my 2024 vision board with you guys and just some goals for this year. Okay, so first, look how pretty this area is, especially with like the snow and everything. I'm literally obsessed. This is my desk right now. I have my mirror, my makeup. This is my vision board. I will show you the actual one I made. This is just online. I just have everything here and I just love how organized it is. My mirror. I also did add a tree and I did hang up ornaments for Christmas, but I took them down because it is sadly not Christmas anymore, even though it's snowing. I don't understand. Okay, this little section, I'm in love, but my goal is to take that away. I just put that there because I like this little book corner situation, and I had something to hold my jewelry and it literally broke. So mad. Anyways, so I want to get a little lamp here or something just to make this more, you know. Next we have my bulletin board of like all my pictures, and then we have, you know, my record player. I did get some new records. My brother got me that for Christmas, and my sister and her boyfriend got me the Bruno Mars one, and I'm actually in love. This is my bed. It probably looks similar. I actually have this blanket underneath, and I just put this one on top because I'm trying to get back into my cozy vibe. Okay, next here is the vision board that I made for 2024. I don't know if I can take it off my wall, but I do want to show you guys like everything that's on the vision board and like what it means for either this year or for a future life, things like that. And then I am ordering some more things to finish this wall because it is a disaster. Okay, so now that I've given you a quick little room tour, I kind of want to talk about, you know, the 2024 vision board, what I want to see either this year in my future life, things like that. So let's just start with that. Basically, how I started was I went on Pinterest and I literally created a 2024 vision board. I'll pop it up on the screen so you guys can see. And I just literally went through and found anything, like any quotes, anything that was inspiring, something that was meaningful to either me or for something that I want to accomplish this year. And I literally I added like, I don't know, 70 pins or whatever to this board. And then what I did was I actually did make a time lapse with my friends on us physically making the vision board, so I'll definitely add that video in too so you guys can see the process. It was like 4 hours because, you know, just the downloading, the adding, you know, where did we want to put it, you know, if we wanted to add any other things, you know, things like that. And so yeah, anyways, I love this lighting. I got a new ring light and I'm very excited because we love natural lighting, but sometimes that extra light right in your face just really helps. I think I'm going to talk about some of my goals, like personal goals that I wrote down that I've been like, that I want to complete this year. So one of them is definitely just to focus on my schoolwork and my studies, because I do get straight A's and I just want to make that a priority throughout, you know, when I finish high school and then going into college. Just like my studies is just like really important to me. Second thing I've been really wanting to do is reading a lot more. If you can see my mini bookshelf right there, it's just, I just want to read more, and I love writing, but I hate reading. And I feel like I could maybe write something, I don't know. But definitely reading more is something that I want to accomplish. I did put like writing a book, writing an article, maybe some short stories or like a poem or something. I think that could be just like something super fun to do. I don't really know. Another thing is like working on my sport. So I golf. You'll see that picture in my vision board, is just getting better at golf and trying hard and like trying to improve, you know. Another thing is, I think just like a more personal goal rather than just for 2024, but, you know, just to get like more confident in myself, you know, like working out more, drinking water, having a healthy diet, just things like that, just to have a healthy diet, just to feel better all in all. Yeah. Another thing that like I didn't actually put this on my vision board, but I probably should have, was sleeping, because I have a terrible sleep schedule. I suffer from insomnia, and so it's really hard for me to sleep sometimes, and then I'll just stay up and keep myself active even if my body's tired. So that is definitely something that I want to improve on this year. Again, more of a long-term goal rather than just for this year, but definitely something I want to, work on this year. Another thing is growing a stronger relationship with like my family, with friends, with God. I just think that's really important, and I think that's something that everyone can work on, no matter how old you are. And I'm 16, so I mean, I'm honestly have so much to learn, but that is definitely something I want to start working on, is just having better and healthy relationships. So yeah. Okay, I think that is honestly kind of wraps up this video. It's a short video, it's quick, it's just a little tour, just a little checkup, a little update on how things are. I definitely do want to post more. That is definitely another goal. I should have mentioned this earlier, but definitely something I want to work on is posting more and keeping you guys updated. Even if I only have 20 people watching my video, that's still 20 people that I can influence. And, I want to grow my channel. I'm definitely not a YouTube person. I always wished that I was more of a YouTube person, but I honestly draw towards, TikTok, Instagram, just posting a picture or just uploading a 15-second video. But YouTube is definitely something that I want to get more comfortable at. And I remember saying this last year in the summer, like, I'm going to be posting so much. I posted 3 videos and a lot of shorts. And so this year is to definitely at least post maybe once a month or something, just to keep you guys, I don't know, in the loop, updated, whatever. So yeah, I wish you guys I was about to say a Merry Christmas, but literally Christmas has passed. I wish you guys a Happy New Year, and I hope that you guys can all remember to, check up with your goals, check up with your resolutions that you are making this year, and that set like daily reminders, set little things that just, to help you actually work on these goals that you want to set. Definitely something I need to do is put on my calendar or reminders, just, how are your goals doing? Anyways, this is all for this month's video. I'm hoping that maybe there can be another video this month, but we'll see. So, bye guys!